China doll, 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 China doll. Pull up in the Benz looking like a China doll. They want my style, but they about to fall. Pull up in the Benz, I make all the girls mad. They so mad, 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 mad. Pull up in the Benz looking like a China doll.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I am here with an update and a review on Fashion Nova. You know I love Fashion Nova, so I'm going to show you this dress that I got from Fashion Nova. This one, Fashion Nova. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on once I get the dress. Isn't it lovely? It's beautiful. I really do like this dress. I really love the back. It has like the squinch in the back. It's like squinchy in the back, and the material is like silky, but it's really stretchy. So, you know, I'm in a large in Fashion Nova clothes. They run kind of small, but I think this will fit perfectly. So I need this cute little bag as well. Didn't come from Fashion Nova. It came from another store, and it was I also found these, and actually they're a little too small for me, so I might end up giving these to my niece and order another pair. Like, these are like super small. I don't know what these people are thinking. I didn't order these from Fashion Nova though. These came from Amazon. I just saw them when I was browsing, and I was like, it would be so cute. So yeah, that's what I ended up in these. But I'm mad about these. I really am, because I have to give these away. I really have to give these away. I got so much stuff though. Oh, I also got this bag that I really truly love. One of my favorites. So I bought this Brahmin as well. I am in love with this Brahmin bag. Like, I love this bag. Ain't she pretty? I love this Brahmin bag. It was actually $2.85. So overall, I am very happy with my purchases, guys. You know, I love Brahmin bags. I say that in almost every video. This hair right here is going to be available on my website very soon. I'm waiting for that Brahmin endorsement very soon. Also, this Fashion Nova dress is gorgeous. I plan on wearing it to a cousin's brunch, and I'm going to rock it, and I'm going to look really good in it. I cannot wait, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with another video very soon. And enjoy, guys. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Always. Bye.